So guys, Schleich has sent me a box of their 2026 models, so let's go open it. There are so many models in here. So excited! So guys, the first one up is this beautiful knabstrupper gelding. I love his spots, and I feel like this is such a unique pose for a Schleich. You can even see his little teeth. And he has a cute little pink muzzle. So excited to do like some filming and barn tours with this guy. He's so cute. Next up is this, I think he's a Lusitano and a gelding. He just decided he wanted to be free, so that's alright. He's like black, he's not really glossy, but he has this cute little face marking. Super cute. I'm not really sure what his pose is, but he's pretty cute. Next is this chestnut thoroughbred stallion. He does not want to come out of his bag. There we go. Oh, I forgot to mention as well, these seem to be made out of the better quality plastic, which is super exciting. I love this guy. Thoroughbreds are one of my favorite models. He's so cute. Look at his face. His face has really nice shading. And he's got some shading on his belly. I don't know if you can really tell, but he's like a chestnut and he has 4 socks. Super cute. Next up is this North Swedish mare. She's so cute. Oh my goodness, she has such a cutie little face. Cute. And then we have this rearing mustang. I know a lot of people said he looks like Spirit, and he really does. My lighting is not doing him justice, but he is so pretty. This is my first ever rearing model horse, which is super exciting, so now I can proudly say that I have a rearing model in my collection. He's got such a cute little face. Cute. There we go. And then next is this thoroughbred mare. I love that Schleich has gone back to the old plastic. It makes me so happy. She's got such pretty shading on her face. I believe this is called a liver chestnut. Correct me if I'm wrong. But she has a little hind sock. My goodness, look at the detail on that hoof. It's like got striping and everything. Alright. So cute. Next is this gorgeous little Mustang mare. Open. Oh. So this is a paint mare. I'm not really positive, like Overo or I can't remember the other one, but she's so cute. I think it's an Overo. I'm probably pronouncing that wrong as well, but super cute. She has some socks and a tan tail. I think this is a chestnut. Not positive. I really need to learn coat colors. It would really help me out. But she's super cute. And then last but not least for this unboxing is the KWPN. I don't remember if it's a mare or a gelding or a stallion. Sorry. Okay. She's free. KWPN gelding. I love the dressage pose. And there's a little pink on the muzzle, just a tiny little bit, but it's still there. You can tell. And then there are socks, and then it has a black mane and tail. Super cute. So guys, these are all the models I got in this unboxing. I did not get the knabstrupper mare, so I need to go out and find her to get her. But there are so many models here. I'm going to give you like a quick overview. So guys, these are all the models that Schleich sent me. I am so very thankful. But now it's time to take them out for a photo shoot. So guys, I'm now headed out to my backyard. I have all my horses and my camera, and I'm actually headed to the creek that's in my backyard. So hopefully I don't fall in. This is my photography base. I'm going to put my horses down. Ta-da! I think if I place my camera right about here, you guys should be able to see what I'm doing. I'm thinking this shallow water right here for like the thoroughbreds, I think that'll look really cool. Oh, tree in the hair. Oh, thank you. some tree just went in my hair. This water is absolutely freezing. It's definitely too early to be swimming in the creek. These are really jumbled in here. Let me put the thoroughbreds on the ground and just fix this mess that I have going on. For the knabstrupper, I'm low-key thinking about putting him like next to a flower and like having him reach up to smell the flower. I think that'd be so cute. Let's go with the North Swedish mare next. I have to take her tag off. Thinking over here somewhere. I think like a fairy tale like picture of her and like, hold on. So guys, I'm actually going to call it a day. There's a groundhog over there. I don't know if you saw that or not. He is scurrying on the far bank. Anyway, I'm going to go call it a day. I still have 2 horses left to photograph, but I just don't think I have the right background down here. So, yeah, yes, I'm actually going to go head up and edit these, and I will put them on at the end of this video. So guys, I am only going to be posting 3 of these photos on here. The rest will be on my Instagram when I get them edited. But for now, enjoy these. And thanks again so much to Schleich for sending me these. I love taking pictures of them, and I'm so happy to be able to add them to my collection. But I hope you guys have enjoyed this unboxing. Check out my Instagram if you guys want to see the rest of the pictures. Link in the description. Thanks again, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!